Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get coconut and grow a garden Roblox. Here's how to get the elusive coconut and grow a garden on Roblox. The coconut seed, once available in the shop for 50,000 coins, was recently removed with the summer harvest update. But don't worry, there are still few ways to get it. If you have a red fox pet and join a public server, it might sneak into other players' garden and steal a coconut seed if they have a coconut tree planted. Another method is using a dog or golden lab, which can occasionally dig up coconut seeds while exploring. If you already have coconut plants, you also have a slim chance of earning more seeds through lucky harvest. While duping exists, it's only useful for those who already own the seed. As of now, the coconut seed isn't available in the shop or events, so your best bet is to trade or rely on pets to do the work. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.